Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Naturally Neat Nature. And I am nuts about nature, Mary Beth, and today I'm going to share the wonderful waterways of Ohio, like this one right here. Dusty Snow! Let's go hiking! From the crashing waterfalls to beautiful spring-fed ponds, water is everywhere in Ohio. We are in the non-glaciated areas of the state, up here in Amish country with rolling hills. There's lots of wildlife to listen to. Let's see if we can hear a bird. Let's keep hiking. The Little Miami River and the Great Miami River flows through Dayton and vicinity. And we are here at the Little Miami River, and the Little and Great are part of a watershed that goes from the north all the way down into the Ohio River. Here is a great place to spend a summer day like this. And go swimming and fishing and kayaking. So one of the great waterways here is found right in our neighborhood, Dayton, Ohio. Let's go swimming! We are now above the Mad River right outside of Dayton, Ohio. And the word mad can mean either angry or crazy. And in 1913, the Mad River did go crazy because it had too much water, and downtown Dayton was totally flooded. Now today we have a marvel of human engineering which keeps Dayton, Ohio nice and dry. Huffman Dam! If this is a dam, where's all the water? Well, remember, this is a flood control dam. On the right side is upstream, which is where the water gets held back when we have flooding, and downstream is where Dayton is. So Huffman Dam, some people don't know why it exists, but now you do. Let's keep hiking. if this is a dam, where's all the water? Well, remember, this is a flood control dam. On the right side is upstream, which is where the water gets held back when we have flooding. And downstream is where Dayton is. So Huffman Dam